Mame ɛma wo akwaba mbra me channel yi so. Sɛ afei ɛna wahu me page yi a, mɛsrɛ sɛ wobɛfollow na wowie nso a wobɛlike video yi. Sɛ nkɔmmɔdidie yi a yɛdi nso no, wobɛtumi de w'adwenkyerɛ aba ɛwɔ comment section hɔnom. Na meda ase sɛ wayɛ ne saa ama me. Ebia na wopɛ sɛ wohwɛ yɛn programs anaasɛ videos a yɛyɛ no ɛwɔ YouTube a, wobɛtumi akɔ YouTube na wasearche cbtech_inc. Ɛbɛtumi abie page no ama wo na watumi anya bi ahwɛ. Afei nso on TikTok wobɛtumi asearche cbtrendsgod. Ɛbɛyi me TikTok profile no nso aba na watumi anya bi ahwɛ. Ɛno akyi nso no, on X sɛ wobɔ B Cletus, ɛno nso ɛbɛtumi ayi me X profile no nso aba na wafollow me ɛwɔ hɔ. Meda ase sɛ wayɛ ne saa ama me pɛpɛɛpɛ. Ɛnkyɛe koraa ɛyɛ nnra ɛyɛ 24th of July ɛna mede information bi ɛbɛtoo akwan mu sɛ ɛyɛ the Honorable Minister in charge of finance a ɛyɛ Dr. Kessiel Ato Forson. Mede to mo anim sɛ ɔbɛkɔ na wakɔ ready the mid-year budget anaasɛ ɔbɛkɔ akɔma yɛn the mid-year budget review. Na ɛtumi ɛkɔɔ so ɛyɛ nnra no. Na I think sɛ mɛpɛ sɛ yɛbɛkɔ na yɛkɔ ready some few things bi a ɛmɛki like some major things bi a waka ho asɛm anaasɛ wotumi ɛde ɛto dwa. In the course of NDC for ɔmo manifesto no, yɛn nyinaa yɛbɛtumi akae na yɛhu sɛ ɔmo de to yɛn anim sɛ one of the projects a ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo di ho dwuma a yɛbɛtumi aboa na ama Ghana yɛn development, that is our infrastructural development akɔ anim no. One of it was what we call the big push. Nti no, at the beginning of the first budget a ɔmo ready yɛ no, ɔmo di kan ɛde to Ghana for anim sɛ actually this was the plan that the government was going to actually embark on in order to make sure say the infrastructural development no ɛtumi ɛba so the way a government no asi aplan. Nti no ma menkɔ ɛyɛ page 66 of ɛyɛ the 2025 mid-year fiscal policy review no. Me nsa aka document no ɛwɔ ha sei. Na metumi akɔ page 66. Ɛhɔ ɛna ɛyɛ the big push program no document no atumi aka ɛho asɛm. Nti me ready na mede some information bi a ɛyɛ finance minister ɔka ho asɛm ɛyɛ nnra no metumi ɛde ato hɔ na yɛn nyinaa no yɛsua bibi afiri mu. Na mekɔ so a aka akyerɛw sɛ afei ɛna ɔjoin me platform yi anaasɛ video yi a, mɛsrɛ sɛ wobɛtumi alike video yi, wobɛtumi ahyɛ video yi ɛde ama obi foforɔ nso anya bi ahwɛ. Ɛno akyi nso no, wobɛtumi agya wo comment ɛwɔ comment section hɔ na atumi aboa. Wobɛtumi de w'adwenkyerɛ aba na aboa ama yɛn nyinaa yɛasua bibi afiri deɛ yɛyɛ mu. As youth and as citizens no, ɛwɔ sɛ we get involved in the daily activities a ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ Ghana and things that matter to us as a country. Ɛwɔ sɛ yɛn nyinaa yɛde yɛn ho wura mu na yɛhwɛ. If it is good, we talk about it. We actually give thumbs up. But if it is bad too, we can bring in other suggestions a yɛhu ne sɛ government ɛde to akwan mu a ɛbɛtumi aboa. then it will go a long way to help all of us at the end of the day. Intino me dase se waye ne saa ama me. Intino me say mrekra no ma menko ready information a ɛwɔ document a enra finance minister Dr. Kesel Atoforsen ɔde betu dwa na yɛntoa so ɛwɔ hɔ no. Enti so wokɔ page 66 na I say the big push program. Mr. Speaker, as part of the 2025 budget, we announce the commencement of the Big Push program, a flagship initiative of President John Dramani Mahama for massive infrastructure development. Since then, the President has dedicated all Big Push budgetary allocations over the next 2 years to improve road infrastructure. Okoswa Ekaimbima will say, Mr. Speaker may recall Parliament approved that all oil revenues and mineral royalties accrued to the budget be dedicated to the Big Push. Intino say information amako kan anase document ya makan ya anase their finance minister enro already to dwana or say budget ya mudi kan ede beto animu no omo share say in fact government omo ye nhihye bi say omo pese omo ye program bi a ye friend the Big Push a ebetumi aboa ama yempuntuo as a country to say ya kwan development a ye our country no na atumi atumpon papa entino enimu no the president atumi in connection with the finance minister omotumi a budget for that project no entino say okan ekoso bi mu so I say Mr. Speaker betumi akai ehunu say omode saa dwumadie no ehun hyehyɛ anase budget a omoka ho asɛm no omodi kan ababe approve ehun nsɛm ɛwɔ parliament honom deda entino mesan to aso ekan bi ma say as a result the amount of 13.8 billion Ghana cedis which was allocated in the 2025 budget to the Big Push program will be used for road infrastructure. And I say Parliament adikan and I say omodikan etwa sika bi a yefre no like omodikan etwa sika bi a omopese omode saa program and saa sika no 13.8 billion Ghana cedis a omopese omode saa program na yefre no the Big Push no a betumi aboa ma government atumi aye akwan bi a ewo Ghana akwan hodo a Ghana man ye yusu na atumi aboa ama akọ animu yepa. And also say the Speaker, the Minister for Roads and Highways has spent the first 6 months of his time in office touring the whole country to assess firsthand the state of roads in our country. The Ministry of Roads and Highways has undertaken studies and prepared comprehensive engineering interventions and cost estimates to road projects under the Big Push program. Inti o say so afọ a ohwe yakwantimpon so Honorable Governors Kwame Agbodza one ne engineers omotimi akọ round akọhwe kwan ben omotimi assess say mine mu no areas a omakan like omakwan ehun ehia se yeye bibi efa ho no na omode saa cost e wo se cost anase omasese ehun ka nyina etumi de akwakoma parliament na based on that no so no omotimi a release 13.8 billion Ghana cedis a omopese omode ye saa project no. Now say otoaso ekobi ma afei omobebobo areas a omokọ assess ye no areas a omohu ni say saa project betumi adi hini anase saa project betumi a start the Big Push in ewo so no ɛna ɔmo de ɛbɛtu dwa no. Nti ɔsɛ the Ministry of Finance has since issued commitment authorizations for the following and infrastructure projects under the Big Push program. Nti ɔsɛ Ministry of Finance I'm making sure say ɔmo make commitment, that is ɔmo de ɔmo nsa ahyɛ saa program no ase na ɔmo make ɔmo ama sika ayɛ ready a ɔmo wetumi ɛde ayɛ saa program yi ama na ayɛ atumi aba mu the way a program no nhyehyɛ esitie pɛpɛɛpɛ. Nti first one no me bɛbɔbɔbɔ so, I think say ɛdɔɔso yie paa, and it cuts across the length and breadth of this country from all other places. Nti no me ba bɛbɔ so na yakɔyɛ nim saa. The first one I say construction of a new bridge on the Oti River at Dambai. Nti no ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ road anaasɛ ɔmo yɛ bridge ɛto Dambai. Sɛ wokɔ sɛ woduru Dambai na wopɛ sɛ wotwa mu ɛkɔ ɛmfa sɛ Kete Krakye anaasɛ other places like Krakye, Nchumuru, Borai, Urenja, any other areas ɛwɔ saa area, that is to link you to the Eastern Corridor Road now. You need to cross the Dambai Road. Nti no ɛho behia sɛ like wobɛ use saa ɛmfa sɛ bridge no. Right now there's no bridge there. Nti no ɔmo use ferry anaasɛ ɔmo use boat ansa na ɔmotumi ɛde across road no. Sometimes many a times no it means say car bi aload bayerɛ, car bi aload anantwie, any other things a ɔmotumi lose the car and even other properties. Ebi ɔbɛte yɛsɛ ferry no adane anaasɛ car bi atɔ nsuo no mu, a whole lot of issues a ayɛ a ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ hɔ. Nti so ɔmotumi yɛ saa bridge I think say it will be a long way. Be open district up and I say be open region up into other marketable like other business ventures I bet me akoso was a community no, because we take bibi to say utia actually eba bayira omudi ho akone aba papa omodo bayire ewo ho pa. In fact omoye farming, other farming projects ewo Uti region ho. In terms of mutumi air bridge, I believe say it will go a long way to help in the development process or in the infrastructural development umpese omoye no ebitumi amana koso yipa. Followed by the next one, which is rehabilitation of Wahen Road. Next one, upgrading of Tumu Hamley Road. And Wahen Road. The next one is upgrading of Tumu Hen Laura Road. And also another road on Pese Omu Edi Ehujuma. And I said the Big Push I cover some places so. And I reconstruction of Navrongo Tumu Road. I've used Navrongo all the way to Paga before. I think say from Tumu to me I used Tumu to Navrongo to Paga, something of that sort, yes. And as a coin, when I use it, the time I'm using no, not quite a single road like car for crash, share car for you have to actually wait for the other cars to pass and send over to me. I then echo. It was not even it was no more trouble at all. It was no more trouble, and it was not tired. The time I'm fast on a rough road. And it's been more than almost 5 to 7 or 8, 10 years ago. And you know, if they work on it, me who say a bit to me abwa yipa. The next one, rehabilitation of Techimai Nkunsia Wenchi Road. Sakwan so potholes ayesu nyinama. Potholes ayesu nyinama. So into mutimi bibi efa ho and so a bit me abwa. The next one, rehabilitation of Wenchi Solar Road. That is also one of the roads I believe say a Lenke all the way to the Upper West region. That is it a Lenke 3 regions from Bono East to all the way Savannah region and all the way to even part of Bono northern region and also Upper West region and a Lenke sa regions. This is our road and so much me edi ho dwuma. I believe say it was also another thing I bet me abwa. For a long time, no, South Road is very, very bad. Then followed by construction of Sunyani Outer Ring Road. Sunyani Outer Ring Road. The next one, construction of Kumasi Outer Ring Road. That is Eastern Quadrant. Eastern Quadrant. And then the next one, rehabilitation of Bintri Napanduri Road. Bintri Napanduri Road. The next one, so rehabilitation of Dodo Pepesu Nkwanta Road. I think that one is talking about Oti side, Echo Oti side. I don't know. The next one, rehabilitation of Atimpoku Asikuma Junction Road. Atimpoku, that is Echo Babia Adome Bridge. That part of as a Ukohu side, no. Yeah, also we here some work over there. And the big push so I cover south side no also the same way as other places are covered. And the next one, which is rehabilitation of Asikuma Junction to Anyirawasi Road. Asikuma Junction to Anyirawasi Road. The next one, reconstruction of Anyirawasi to Ho Tritrinu Road. And also other place to me a cover and as a cover the big push program no. Upgrading of Akosombo Jakiti Kudikope Road. Akosombo Jakiti Kudikope Road. The next one, upgrading of Asikuma to Anum Boso Paleme Road. Upgrading of Adome Bridge to Akwamufie Road. Okay. Then upgrading of Asikuma to Anum Boso Paleme Road. Okay, my ready my count. I think 13th. Rehabilitation of Ho Petoi Road. Ho Petoi Road. Rehabilitation of Ho Petoi Road. The next one, rehabilitation of Petoi Afiadenwa Road. And Ramite say finance minister na or body for. But I know this town, Afia Nyaniba Road. On your way going to Aplao, Afia Nyaniba Junction. I think say before you go to Keta, it is around that place. I think it's also another road that needs to work. But Ofa sa kwan so a me say the opese who speed ramps are kesia you have to use that road. Easy cra speed ramps na kesia pa serious one. So Afianyaniba road no so not me a cover the big push side hono. The next one rehabilitation of Afianyaniba Penny Road. The next one, rehabilitation of Penny Aflao Road. Okay, Penny Aflao Road. That means Hainana Meboboson a Volta region. Yeah, a Volta region. No. Then the next one, dualization of Winneba Mankesim Road. Dualization of Winneba Mankesim Road. Dualization of Winneba Mankesim Road. I think says our coin say was say umutumi before because in fact one of the busiest road in the country. One of the busiest road. If you're going to let's say Sekondi, Takoradi and those places and I will say we use sa coin. It's a very busy road and kasankasa. From Kasua going the whole a very busy road, yeah. Then from there we have dualization of Cape Coast Takoradi Road. Cape Coast Takoradi Road also multimi a dual carriage. Until the big push in it me a cover a honso amayen. We have dualization of Cape Coast Takoradi Road. Yes, and also I was say multimi a BB efa sa equine. So if the big push is able to do that, me who say and also ebeboa papa. Then we have rehabilitation of Mankesim Ajumako Breman Asikuma Aguna Suedro Road. Wow. And also rehabilitation of Mankesim Ajumako Breman Asikuma Aguna Suedro Road. Yeah, Aguna Suedro for big shout out to Richard, my classmate be a hono free Aguna Suedro Bobby Kuma. I can't still forget about this. So Richard, if you are listening to me, big shout out to you. And I feel so another person, Mr. Ima, also Swedro Wana, also free. Also free Swedro, Mirefi, is it Swedro? Mirefi, oh, but the name keeps coming. The name keeps coming. If I, is it Nsaban, yes, Nsaban, Aguna Nsaban, yes, Aguna Nsaban, that is the name. Then rehabilitation of Tema Aflao Road, with the medium, Omodru medium, Tema Aflao Road, rehabilitation of Tema Aflao Road. Then from there, reconstruction of Dodowa Afinya Dowenya Road. So road no, Afinya Dowenya Road. Very bad. Me say okay, I don't know, maybe one of these days I was say me ko gina ho na me twa picture like video, me video ankasa na me de kire. Say cars akese na enam so e ba. Wotimi hu say car ne timi chia na ho saa, say car keto an kwa hwe na say enya say kese ne nya minipe. It's a big problem, like a big problem. Serious matter. And I'm told say we need a man for be break kasa almost say at the time I'm more sorry na kwan no kra saa netie. So like that means the road has been rough like that for almost years, some years now. And so so if actually the big push is able to work on this road, a bit me because say call baby to say for instance call baby to say let's say eastern region, this say call Manfia. If the road is good, you don't even need to go all the way to the Kwashe roundabout to pass through Medina to use what is that? Adukrum all the way to Manfi. And I say be Kufuria. There is a shortcut you can use through Afinya here, and you can just go. But because of the equining so you can't even you can't try using it. Say be a motor now they are fine, but a car there you will not be able to go. Then upgrading of OEB Apollonia Afinya Road. Meaning I think that should be the road I'm talking about. OEB that is around after Medina side. If I'm actually right, OEB after Medina as a okofro ako Peduase area hono. Yeah, I think that should be the road they are talking about here. Pacho se onim sa road there you can ho asem ya obetumi akire or comment section ho amami. The next one construction of Enchi Elubo Road. That is they are talking about Western region. Enchi Elubo. Construction of Dadieso Akontombra Road. Then upgrading of Ajufua Osei Kojo Krom Road. I think if they are talking about Osei Kojo Krom, then that means you are going to Western North, I'm sure. And I will upgrading of Enchi Kujuru Pechi Road. And yes, I will upgrading of Bediakon Junction Camp 15 Sefi Adabo Krom Road. Camp 15, I think I've been there before. Kwasare. Hey, mizu machini kakra o chale abuziafo. So this is what the finance minister Elbetuja. Aside this no okay said there are other constituencies be who say projects be betumi akoso ho no, but eno no actually metumi e de eno so aba. I think say almost say sa other constituencies no or metumi anya 10 kilometers each of road construction that will go alongside the big push, you know. This is the little information that I have for you. Me pacho road ben ena uhuni say the big pushy omo program no mutumi ya uhuni say ebetumi aboa papa. Medase say woda so a ewo atwene mu na watumi atie me up to this point. Ti say woda so ehwe video ya, what I want to say is say thumbs up, and I thank you for actually watching. Me pese hit on the like button, afei nso wie a wobɛtumi agya wo comment or comment section hɔ. Until we meet another time with another insightful video, I want to say goodbye to you all. See you in the next one. As Magraheb will say, adios.